Now let me share with you a legal site that will help you to earn unlimited Bitcoin without doing any hard work. If you want to earn unlimited Bitcoin totally for free, then you can install this software on your PC or on your mobile phone to mine Bitcoin without any hard work. As you know, Bitcoin is increasing day by day, and it will increase more, so if you have Bitcoin in your wallet, then you will be the next happy person every single year. To be honest, crypto browser is legal and paying to users for many years. I recently get paid from CryptoTab browser. You can see in my payment history, I get paid from CryptoTab browser. You can get paid once you make 11 cents. And if you have only 5 referrals, then you can expect to earn $3 every single month. The more referral you make, the more money you can earn. And the good part is they have more round 2, round 3, round 5, round 10 referral system that will give you more referral income mining real Bitcoin. So what you have to do to start mining Bitcoin totally for free? Step 1. Download and install. Go to my video description link, then you will redirect to this website. Now download the software from your PC or mobile phone. If you install this browser on your PC, then it will give you more Bitcoin. After installation, open the browser, then you will see a browser like this. Then you have to click on this icon, so that you can start future mining. Step 2. Create an account. You can easily create an account using your Gmail or Facebook account. Step 3. Turn on your mining. Turn on your mining with maximum speed, to mine as much Bitcoin you can. So now click on this button, so that you can start mining using your PC. Now wait a few seconds, you will see your mining is starting. From the dashboard, you can see your total mining, total earning balance, total mining networks, and all the details. Then you can easily withdraw to your wallet anytime you want. To withdraw your balance, just click on this option, then click Withdraw to BTC. Once you make 11 cents, add your Bitcoin wallet address, and get paid. Step 4. Invest in a Cloud Boost. If you invest in a Cloud Boost, then they will give you lots of good opportunities and you can mine more fast speed and earn good Bitcoin in few days. However, I will recommend you, if you have a good configuration PC, then you can invest in a Cloud Boost to earn more Bitcoin. Step 5. Promote your affiliate link. After clicking the affiliate dashboard, it will redirect you to your affiliate link. Just copy this link, and invite more people to earn more Bitcoin fast. You can share your referral link with your friend, so that more people join using your referral link and start mining, and for this, you will earn more extra commission without doing any work. You can easily share your referral link in different Facebook groups, Twitter, Instagram. You can make a review video and publish on YouTube. To promote your referral link, you can share it in Telegram group, WhatsApp group, share in a different forum. Make as much referral you can to boost your Bitcoin earning. Just make your own mining network and be happy. Step 6. Passive income opportunity. Referral others, and making your own mining network? It will help you to earn more Bitcoin faster. Now let me show you the proof. If you search on YouTube, then you will find lots of people's videos, and this browser is legal and paying. You can see, Digital Millionaire YouTube channel. This person already make $995 only referral others. Here another person's Crypto Wealth channel. This person already makes $331. So why you are waiting? Download the CryptoTab browser, start mining.